On June 3rd, 2026, PVH stock crashed 20% in one single day. In this video I will explain why this happened and what it means for the future. PVH is the parent company of brands like Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger. This company is managing everything from design and marketing to retail and distribution. Recently, PVH posted its Q1 financial report, which was actually pretty decent. They beat Wall Street expectations for revenue and earnings per share, but despite this, stock declined massively. The main reason is the revenue guidance cut. Management lowered its full-year sales outlook from a slight increase to approximately flat. Also, the company predicted that Q2 revenue will drop by 3 to 4%. This is the main reason behind Q1 stock price drop. But we need to consider factors like currency risk, business mode, Middle East incident, recession and tariffs. PVH operates in more than 40 countries, mostly in Europe, North America and Asia Pacific. So you have to take into account currency fluctuations. Now let's talk about business mode. Maybe you will disagree, but I believe that all those clothes brand companies are basically the same. I don't see any modes. All I see is competition that will eventually eat margins, especially in recession. Thanks to the nation that lives where it wants to live, we might have energy crisis, especially in Asia. In addition to that, we might have more expensive oil, which means higher inflation. Thank you, Daddy.
You're gambling with World War III. You're gambling with the lives of millions of people.
The lives of courageous American heroes may be lost and we may have casualties.
But it's a sacrifice I am willing to make.
We also didn't have recession since like 20 years, so this 20-minute adventure can be starting point of a global recession. Cherry on top, tariffs. I have no idea what's going on. But is it this stock a buy? Well, this stock looks cheap. On June 5th, 2026, PVH has $3.6 billion of market capitalization with $680 million of operating cash flow. This company is currently trading at price to operating cash flow ratio at roughly 5.3. Price to free cash flow ratio is a bit higher and they have quite a lot of debt. But enterprise value to free cash flow ratio is around 13.4, so the situation is not that bad. But what about returning value to the shareholders? This is not a growth stock, but I would say that this company will decline in the next decade, but in the past 5 years they focused on buybacks. In that time, the number of shares declined over 30%. If they keep doing buybacks, and if their business will keep status quo, this stock probably would outperform US bonds. No, once in a lifetime opportunity, 1000x! But I am not PVH shareholder and I will not buy their stock at current valuation. I do not like clothes brand stocks, this is just not my type.